Hi, now me and my groupmates are ready now to discuss to you the technology as a process and technology as a product. The technology as a process is a way of using findings of science to produce a new things for a better way of living, while technology as a product is the complex combination of knowledge, materials, and methods.
Hi, I'm Martin Ciclado. Drone is one of the examples of technology as a process. It shows how creative solutions are created by applying scientific concepts. First, design. The development of drones involves principles from aerodynamics, robotics, and material sciences. Drones are manufactured using advanced techniques like 3D printing and automation, ensuring precision and scalability. It requires complex software in order to navigate, control, and process data. They are integrated into various industries such as agriculture, for crop monitoring and disaster response. Drones is a technology as a product by serving specific market needs and applications, and they are tangible devices that can be purchased and used for various purposes such as aerial photography, agriculture monitoring, delivery services, and surveillance.
Hi guys, I am Rendell San Juan. So now, let's talk about technology. Technology is defined as both a process and a product. So let's start with the technology as a process first. Technology as a process involves a systematic approach to creating and delivering products. One example is creating a phone. Technology is clearly a process when it comes to making a phone, from coming up with the idea to writing down the specs. Programming the software and making the hardware are both parts of this. Before the phone goes on sale, it is also tested for usefulness, durability, and safety. Now, let's proceed to technology as a product. Technology as a product is a material products or human making or fabrication. Same example with a phone is when the phone is finally built. So, technology as a product is the entire result of a process.
Now, let's now move on from the science as a process and science as a product. So science as a process is the description and the explanation of the development of knowledge, conceptualization of new ideas from the abstract to the particular. So science as a product is the set of logical and empirical method which provide for the systematic observation of empirical phenomena.
Hi, my name is Jodel Ong and I am here to report how is the law of thermodynamics as a science as a process and as a product. So how is the law of thermodynamics science as a process? First, it is a continuous investigation. The creation of the law of thermodynamics involved a series of observations, hypotheses, experiments, and analysis demonstrating the iterative nature of scientific inquiry. Second, it is evidence-based. The law was developed based on empirical evidence gathered through experiments, highlighting the importance of scientific method in building knowledge. So how is law of thermodynamics as a product? First, its technological advancements. It has contributed to the development of new technologies and improvements in existing ones. Second, problem solving. The law can be used to solve problems and address challenges in different areas of society.
Hi, I'm Gilbrian Inviloria. One example of science as a process is the process of creating the theory of evolution. This theory was formed through extensive observations and analysis during Darwin's voyage, where he noted the diversity of species and their adaptation to different environments. Started with hypotheses about species change, which were tested against fossil records and genetic data, leading to first-hand observation and to forming conclusions. And this theory of evolution can also be an example of science as a product. Due to this theory, it enables scientists to understand the diversity of life and how different species manage to live and survive on Earth. Furthermore, this theory has become a foundational concept in biology and aids in different studies in the medical field, such as understanding the causes of diseases, vaccine development, genetic disorder, and etc.